Oh, welcome G. There are two function in the java.util.function. Java.util.function. One is and then another is compose. Okay. So let us look what the meaning of these two function. What they are doing. Both are doing the same things or the different things. Okay. Let us look the code. So let us we have a created one function. Let's this will take one integer and another integer. Let's function name is add. Just what they this take one input variable a and return just a plus 2. Okay. Let us similarly we have a two more function. One your subtraction, another your division. Okay. So this just subtract the number, this just divide. Now let's look the apply. So add this is the one function have a like you can and then say let's say subtract and say and then let's say divide, and then you can apply pass the number in input. Okay, so this is the one function, and if you run it, this will return the output as a 1. Uh, so let us look similarly we have a sort. Just give another here let's give we have a add function, and then we can also have a compose sub, and then compose you can say division, then you can say apply, let's give apply you have 2. Okay, and let's check output. So we have a two function here is one is and then another compose, and let's both are returning the same output. So what are the is it the same or something different? So let look the which functions are taking which input and what the order they are executing. Here we have an add and then sub and then division. Here also have an add then compose sub then compose division. Okay. So let's just I am giving the other like s out simply here just give a curly braces, and so you know which order they are executed. Let's they are in the returns here whatever the value, and here just I am giving the just out like s out, just add function invoke, and what the input they are receiving, they are input receiving a. Okay, and similarly what they return, just they like a return your return the value like a plus 2, just s up, so you can get the flow. Okay, this is your one implementation. Let's key this is another, this is another. Just here they are doing a minus, here is subtraction, just here doing a minus. Similarly let's see here this is the division, and this is return division, return division. Just what I'm not doing any change, just print the SOP so that we know which order they are executing. So in this we are one function add, that return a plus 2, function sub return a minus b, function division return a plus b, and let's run again it. So now you notice we have invoke add then apply sub. The first add function invoke with the input parameter add functions invoke with the input parameter 2. This is whatever the here you type apply first go to the add function. This is the 2 as an input parameter, go to add function, right? So here you are receiving add as a input parameter to whatever the two you are. So here this 2 pass to this add function. Now add function receive as a input 2 and return add a plus 2. That means they return a 4. Okay, this 4 as a pass as input to this sub function, and sub receive this as a input as a 4, and then they return 4 minus 2, they return a 2. This 2 input function again pass to the another then function, that is the division. Division receive a 2 as a input and return as a output 1, and the 1 is your displaying as output. So here that means ki the and thens the apply whatever the input you are passing, they start from add function this, and whatever the result passed to as input here, result passed to input as a here. So this is the flow of your and then. And look this compose function. Compose is started from division 3. Okay, here you pass as a 3 as input, 3 as input, and this is just passed to the first your compose function in a division 3. 3 take a input and return by 1. Okay, 3 divided by, and then what say you can say instead of 3 that's pass as a 2, so you can say 2 divided by 2 is a 1. Again run. Okay, same output. So here first 2 apply to this division function. Division take a 2 input parameter and return 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. As this result is passed to the second sub function. That means the result of this compose function is passed to the this sub function. Sub function take one input argument. I return 1 minus 1. Okay, minus 2, 1 minus 2, return minus 1, and this result again passed to this add function. This is the add function minus 1, and just added plus 2, they are returning 1. So here 2 input divided by 2. Here whatever the input 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Here whatever the input minus 1, and then we have added a plus 2. So our function just dividing 2, subtracting 2, and adding 2. So major differences between these two are the execution of flow. Here your input first go to your add function, and whatever the add function return as output, that go to input as a second sub function, and whatever the output of sub function is passed to another division function, and final division output your division. But in the case of compose, first your input passed to your last compose function division, and whatever division return output is passed as a sub function as a input, and what is the output of subtract function is passed to as a input to the add function. So this is the reverse, you can say. Compose start from the inner, and then compose start from the left. So this is the flow differences between the execution of flow. Look like both are the same, but they are different. They have a starting execution from first to second, then third. But here execution started from division, then subtraction, then add. So hope it is help you whenever you are using this function and then and compose. Please keep in mind the execution flow are different of this both. Okay, so this is your code. This is the okay. So these are your add function, subtract function, and division function. Similarly, first and then, and whatever the input. But here, first apply this, this, and this. So this is the flow happen here, and this is the flow happen here. So please be ensure whenever you are using these two function and then and compose, keep in mind they have a different execution flow. So hope it's helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.